So if a police officer got behind you to pull you over, any law enforcement officer got behind you to pull you over, what would you do? Hey, welcome back everybody. As you know, on my channel, we discuss police pursuits. We break them down. We talk about the kind of cars that are involved. And when I saw this car come in, I said, I've got to talk to the owner of this car. We're once again at the Madisonville car show, and we're going to be looking at different cars. But I have a young man here with me. His last name happens to be Logan, or his first name happens to be Logan. My last name is Logan, so it's going to be great talking to this young man. So if you would, tell me what kind of car you have.
So this is my 2019 Camaro SS. Only thing it's got a 6.2 liter LT1 V8, 455 horsepower, 455 foot-pounds of torque, paired to a 10L80 10-speed automatic transmission.
So as you can see, this young man knows his stuff about his car, and I'm pretty sure you know how this car will handle in any condition. So if you would, let's go ahead and pop the hood and let's take a look.
Absolutely.
Y'all know I'm a muscle car fanatic. You know I love sports cars. That's just the way that it works. So let me ask you a question. How does a young man with a car like this act responsibly driving it?
Honestly, just don't go crazy. Take it out to a parking lot, empty parking lot, figure out, learn the car, be responsible about it, and keep in mind that 455 horsepower is a lot more horsepower than people tend to realize.
Yeah, yeah. So when we think about pursuits and stuff like that, as we talk about, you know, this is a lot of power. SS is a bad car. It's a lot of power. So you have to ask yourself, do you even know how to drive a car like this and keep it on the road? See, when a lot of young people drive cars like these, they think because they have the car, they believe that they can get away, when actually they do not have the experience to do it. But as this young man just said, as Logan just said, you know, you really have to be careful with this kind of car. So what kind of gearing did you say that you had again?
It's a 10L80, so 10-speed automatic transmission. It's the transmission that Ford co-developed with GM, so it's also in the Mustang. It's called the 10R80.
Okay, so it switches gears on a dime?
On a dime.
Okay,
yeah.
See that? Guys, let me tell you what, you combine a car like this with a guy who doesn't know what he's doing, you're looking for death. Honestly, that's what it is. So I'm glad we're able to speak with Logan about his vehicle, because he acts responsible with it. And for you young folk who like to get out here, and maybe you think you can get out here with your Dodge Chargers, with your Challengers, with your Camaros, and all these muscle cars, take it from him. He's an experienced young man. How many Camaros have you had?
This is my fourth one now.
Which ones did you have?
I've had a 2015 RS Camaro convertible, Canadian spec, a 2016 silver Camaro Coupe RS, and a 2019 black Camaro Coupe RS, and now a 2019 2SS Coupe. So
listen, I believe his mom is standing right here to the side of us. You can't see her unless she wants to come in, but she's standing to the side of us, and I'm sure if he wasn't responsible with the vehicles that he drives, I'm sure she would not let him have it.
Oh, for sure.
So he's doing a great job. Hey, young folk, have fun with your cars, enjoy your cars, but be responsible for it. Because when you get out and make a mistake with it, it makes it tough for a guy like this. As a former state trooper here in Kentucky, I can tell you, if I see a car like this and it's running and it gets away from me, guess what? It's going to make it hard on all the other ones that I see, because I'm going to have the mindset of these cars can get away from me, so I'm going to watch them harder. All right? So just a little bit of experience from police work, and police officers do think like that, and I hate to say that. So if a police officer got behind you to pull you over, any law enforcement officer got behind you to pull you over, what would you do?
My first thought would be just immediately pull over, because A, you don't know why they're pulling you over necessarily, and B, if you did run and they got that license plate, they're just going to show up at your house, so it's better just pull over and admit defeat. All right, so you heard it from Logan. Logan, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Enjoy that car, man. Will do, thank you. One LE one day. I'll take an SS. Trust me, I will. All right, y'all take care.